Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I have some more dolls. These are all slated for some sort of customization of some kind, possibly. Also, I just have to admit, I'm starting to buy Blythe dolls, the fakies, for customization purposes, but also because I have noticed that some of the prices have been going up, and of course we're having, interruptions again with shipping. And so I thought, since I'm really into the Blythe dolls and customizing now, I wanted to get just like a big old bank of them. And worst case scenario, if I don't customize them, I can always resell them later on. All right, so let's start with the pink chick. Wowee. I don't know what that means. ABO1. You can see she's got the wild mouth with the teeth. Typically, I'm going to admit I am not into teeth in a doll. It's just something about it is not attractive to me. But I don't know what it was. I saw her and she just looked so crazy looking that I had to get her. And I'm not I don't really know what I'm going to do with this gal. She's already, she's really doesn't need to be customized that much because she's already got eyebrows. She's got teeth, her open mouth here. You can actually see I don't know if you can see that. From here, I can see the mechanism. I can see inside of her mouth. But something in me said buy this doll, other than the fact that she was a pretty decent price. But other than that, I was just, I don't know. I've been curious about these with the teeth and everything, so I figured, give it a go. Let me see what she looks like. So let's see. Look at that. I mean, that's how high that hair is. Look at that. Where's a ruler at? Okay, look at this. That's almost 4 inches high. All right, so she's got her pink eyes, which actually go well with her pink hair, I gotta say. And then she's got the side gray, front blue, side brown. She's just funny. She would make a cute clown doll. That's a shout out to Jamie at Let's Talk About It with Jamie there. But yeah, so she looks really cute. She's pretty fair skinned. Yeah, she's adorable. She's wild and crazy. So not sure what we're going to do with her, but like I said, she just kind of spoke to me and I went for it. Let's take a look at the other dollies. All right, so these two are actually exactly the same doll, so I'm just going to open one for you. Again, she was at a really good price. Obviously, she is my aesthetic. She's got the dark texture. Her skin is really dark. I would say that's like a chocolate brown. And then the really super blonde hair. Look at that hair. Woo! I'm going to leave this on because I'm not going to use her right away. But I thought it would be interesting to possibly customize a very dark skin doll. And I have some dark skin, but not as dark as she is for customizing. So here's her side gray eyes. All right, where's your pull string at, girl? Blue front. Side brown, and then obviously these are probably going to be pink. Yeah. So yeah, she is dark. She is dark, dark, dark. And then that intense blonde. Again, she just struck me as really unusual looking and different. And so that's why I bought two, because I thought one I might customize and one I might leave as is. We shall see what we shall see. Whew, look how dark she is. All right, you guys, let me know what you think of both dolls in the comments below. As usual, I always appreciate a thumbs up. Please have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.